In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Raising Cane's gift card balance. Let's start by opening your web browser. Whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser, make sure it's up to date. This ensures you have the best experience with fewer glitches or security risks. Now type in the search bar Raising Cane's gift card balance. Press enter. You'll see a list of search results related to Raising Cane's. Next up, you'll want to open the correct link. Look for the official Raising Cane's website in the search results. Usually, it's one of the first few links you see. Click on it to proceed. This step is crucial because there are many similar-looking sites out there, and choosing the official one keeps your information secure. By now, you should be on the Raising Cane's homepage. From there, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. You're looking for a section called Cane's Gear. Under this section, you'll find an option that says Check My Gift Card Balance. This is the link you need to click on to move forward. Once you click it, you'll be redirected to a new page specifically designed for checking your gift card balance. At this point, you should see fields where you can enter your card information. Grab your Raising Cane's gift card and enter the card number. Be careful to input each digit correctly. Now look for the PIN number on your card. It's usually on the back and may require you to scratch off a protective cover. Enter this PIN number in the corresponding field. This is important because without both numbers, you won't be able to access your balance. Double-check your entries to make sure everything is correct. With that ready, proceed to click on the Check Balance button. This action sends your information to the system, which then retrieves your current gift card balance. After a moment, you should see a display of your available balance. This confirmation tells you exactly how much you have left to spend at Raising Cane's. Now that you know your balance, you can plan your next visit to Raising Cane's with confidence. Checking your balance regularly is a good habit. It helps you avoid any surprises at the register. Plus, it ensures you can maximize every dollar on your gift card. And there you have it. A straightforward way to check your Raising Cane's gift card balance. Remember, keeping track of your balance is key to enjoying your meals without any hiccups. If you ever encounter issues during this process, consider reaching out to Raising Cane's customer support for assistance. They'll be happy to help resolve any problems you might face. Thank you for tuning in to today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. Make sure to like and subscribe for more useful tips and guides. Until next time, happy dining at Raising Cane's.